update. They've changed the videos. Okay, you've already figured out in the other video, the way you found this, okay, was you started here and you've watched all these videos. In here, I complain about something bizarre being with the videos, and then I refer you to this one. I'm going to add this, okay, and here's why. In the course schedule, I show you these screenshots and it looks really cool, right? Well, they've changed this somehow and I was super frustrated, but I figured it out by clicking around. I'm sure most of you already figured it out, but just in case. Okay, you click on a video, right? This is the course video. Sometimes it takes a while. Okay, and you play it. Sometimes you will need to log on. I'm going to stop that for a sec so you don't have to hear that. Okay. Sometimes it has made me log on with my UH password using double authentication. Sometimes it hasn't. I wish I knew why. Okay, so I'm going to make another one. You looked over here. Bear with me, okay? Over here I said it was going to look like this. Well, that doesn't look like that. Where's the thumbnails, right? I'm seeing thumbnails and I'm seeing these other two cameras. Okay, so the thumbnails are gone. There's two cameras here. That one, that's what you really want to do, okay? So, social world, you can hear me, right? We hope that if you click this, see how you go back? That's kind of useless. You don't want to really watch this, okay? You're going to want to go back here so you can see. I'm going to stop this. Sorry for that. The other one is useless. You really want to watch this one. This takes a picture whenever the image changes by 10%. You can hear me. It'll be a little bit jumpy, but you can still hear me. Okay? The cool part here... Oh, man, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why I did that. We're learning together here, my friends. So this is, they pissed me off. I mean, okay, I'm going to push pause so you don't have to hear me. We used to be able to basically click on this and you could blow it up if you couldn't see a number, because I write a lot of numbers on the board. I'm really hoping this will do it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's how you do it. You see that? So that's how you can lock it up. And you can always... If you want to catch a number, you can pause it like I just did and go like that and write stuff down. All right? So that's the continuous video, which used to be, remember, here, and this used to be the one. So don't ask me why. I apologize. But you don't really need that when you can, or this, right? So this continuous video you don't really need. Basically, now you can watch the video. This is the important one. You can hear it. And then, unfortunately, there's no more screenshots, which was cool. But at least you can do this. Move yourself around. Okay, so don't ask me why. If you guys can figure out how to get the other thing, that would be awesome. All right, so that's how you're going to watch the videos the new way. That's the end of this short video.